Hey everyone, what's up? It's Paul from Crypto Lifestyle back with another video about Matic Rich. This thing is just launching in 2 minutes, so I am here to do a live deposit video and bring this to you early. So let's start. Okay guys, so we are back 2 minutes ago. So before we will invest, I have some Matic here on my wallet that I will use to deposit here. It will launch soon. It is paying 8% daily return. There are some extra bonuses that you can get here. You can do quarter withdrawals, half withdrawals, or full withdrawals of the balance that you will accumulate from the dividends. So that's also some special feature here. They have anti-whale mechanism. So very nice job and simple, elegant. So that's something that I really like. So yeah, 1 more minute to go. Here, if you want to invest, you will be able to do it here. So you'll just put a number of Matic that you want to invest. I will go with 120, and this will give me possibly 288 Matic in 30 days. The minimum deposit here is 5 Matic. The maximum is 5,000 Matic. This will pay until there's a balance on the contract. 48 seconds to go. You will see that the statistics here, the date of your deposit, which after my transaction that I will do in a minute is confirmed, it will show. The referral program, it will refresh from time to time. Referral program, it's pretty nice, paying 6% from level 1, but also 4% from level 2 and 3% from level 3. So a lot. The referral link you can find here in order to show it to your friends, refer to get some additional income if you like. Okay, so yeah, let's wait for that. They have two separate audits from HazeCrypto, but also from TechRate. So they wanted to do a good impression and they did it. Yeah, and now I am able to go. Let's deposit. Check if I am able to know. Yeah, I can already deposit. So it's nice to go in early, guys. That's why I'm showing you this early. You have to pay a 10% withdrawal fee here, as far as I remember. So the total ROI here is 230%, 130% free profit if this gets to the 30 days. And I will probably withdraw daily here. So I will be able to take my initial deposit back. And yeah, remember, guys, I did something that I shouldn't do. I should put more gas fee here. Be sure to do that so your transaction is not stuck. If it is, you can speed it up like I just did. If it doesn't go, if this thing doesn't go through and doesn't confirm, you can delete that transaction history and do it one more time and just add some extra gas so it will go through faster. Sometimes Polygon chain can be congested. Already some wallets going in. Some the contract balance is 1,280 Matic. Now I'm still waiting for my deposit to be confirmed. Uh, right now is pending. That's probably because the Polygon network has been congested this today. So let's just reset it really fast. Okay, because I want to go here. This will reset my transactions, but see, I don't have pending transaction anymore. So I will refresh, check if I'm connected, go with the 200 Matic again, and deposit it just now. I will just go with aggressive. Okay, this should speed up this one enough for me to be able to invest. I'm not even sure. Maybe I should even put even more gas. So let's talk about the hold bonus that you can have now is confirmed. So that's how you should do it. They have a hold bonus for every 24 hours when you do not make a withdrawal. you will have an additional 0.2% added to your earnings as a hold bonus. The maximum is 2% here. If you withdraw, you will lose this bonus. The community bonus, you will earn additional 0.2% reward for every 200 active participants in the contract. The maximum is 1%. It's good that they have these limits because I've seen systems like this going really, depleting really fast because they didn't have limits. And they have limits, they have quarter withdrawals. And if you do a quarter withdrawal, then 75% will be reinvested, but you will get a 10% bonus. If you do a half withdrawal, then 50% of this will be reinvested and you will get 5% bonus. If you do a full withdrawal, you will only have to pay a withdrawal fee and the rest will land on your wallet. The contract balance bonus, you will receive additional 0.2% reward for every 100,000 Matic staked on the balance, and it will grow. I hope for a slowed growth here actually, because that usually uh, mm, is turning into a nice profit, but that's not a rule. Remember, I just only my speculation, not a financial advice. Okay, so yeah, already I can already see the available balance, and here you'll see your statistics and your deposit, etc. And users invited if anyone uses your link. You need to invest yourself to be able to refer. Otherwise, you won't be able to receive commissions. Right, guys. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck with this one. If you are interested in this, remember to join early. So if you're watching this video and 1 or 2 weeks pass, it is already too late, I'm afraid. So be sure to join early if you like this. Subscribe to my channel, join my Telegram chat. Thank you for watching. See you soon on another video.